That's the boy Keys, Aviate Entertainment. We're gonna show y'all strictly how to get paper, how to hustle. My baby Case, money. Listen, I make these haters sick cause I stay in that flavor shit. I just dick them down, they call that nigga Super Saver, bitch. Perp, Mugga, Louis, Gucci, that's that shit I'm major with. You tell these hoes you the man, they don't believe you like they atheists. I'm raping this game, I ain't asking, bitch, I'm taking it. Big five, quaking shit, half a block, baking it. Kitchen stove, wrist dirty wine like a Jamaican chick. Them strippers know I make it rain on my precipitation shit. You want beef? Get a cowboy, Troy Aikman shit. Rounds out that K, put your face where your laces sit. We be moving bricks through my strip like a mason, bitch. You got that work, we mask up, slide in your crib like Jason, bitch. Shh, where that paper at? Pistol whip them pussies till they show us where that safety at. I'm the ruler, shoot the intruder. Gun so big it go booyah. Stacks on deck, I'm a soldier. And border coke I whip ain't affiliated with cola. I'm colder than the bear, polar, higher than the solar. You kissed her and I just put it on a molar. Murder Hill roller, HG patroller. Hit that nigga Jerb if you looking for that yola. I cop it raw, call it sex, no condom. Then move it over, homie, that's no problem. They swear they killers, but that's no goblin. Only cane they see in his vanity show stopping. Your hoe watching cause I'm digging in my bag deeper, hotter than a bad fever. Bitch, I'm off the swag meter. Fuck wrong with y'all?